this video, I'm going to show you how you can calculate the difference of timestamps that span the midnight hour. Sometimes Excel gets confused when you're trying to subtract two different dates to get the hours between the two of them. And so I have a simple sheet here where you're simply putting in the number, the ID number or whatever, and you're receiving the difference in hours. So this one started at 10 last night, and it's going to be out right now, which is in the morning. So I'm going to go 2222 here, so you could scan in or type in whatever. And there you go. This is correctly had calculated the 7 hours between the two. Now let's do another one. So this one is let's go 666. And there we go, 6 hours and 27 minutes. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I did this in the code. So what I've done here is the barcode is a string. And so the total hours is a date, total hours is a double. Now the timestamps are dates, so the time start is a date, the time end is a date. And then when we're changing these timestamps to serial numbers, which is the date, which is the number from the difference between January 1st, 1900 to today. And so the serial number, start serial number is a double, the end serial number is a double. And so what I'm doing here is I'm finding the empty cell, and then what I'm doing is I'm putting in the date and time. And then what I'm doing to, if it's under the in, then it's going to the ND. And if not, then what it's going to do is it's doing the start time is going to be the hour or the time stamp right before the end time. And so now I'm defining that as the value, and then I'm changing it to a serial number. So the time end is the active cell where just the date went in, and then I'm defining that as a end serial number. To calculate the total hours, what I'm doing is I'm taking the two serial numbers, the end serial number minus the start serial number, and I'm displaying it in hours. Hours, minutes, and seconds is the H, the two capital H's indicates that we're using the 24-hour clock or the military time. And then we are calculating the difference between the two, and then we're going to display them in hours, minutes, and seconds. Then we're doing total hours times 24 active cell. So what we're doing is we are calculating we're adding the number of hours to the ones that we have going, so we can keep an hour track for the week. And then we're going to the end and going to clear our cells. So the other heads up on this is that I have formatted these columns with that display totals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on these, and I'll show you format cells. And what I have formatted them to is time, and I have done that with the 24-hour clock idea, and I have indicated that doesn't have AM or PM, so it's just the hours and minutes. You need to do this or you're going to get 12 hours added to the numbers that are less than 1. And so I will, of course, include all the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.